whole back end's just flexing together with the tone. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Nice. What series? That can't be right. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Bobby Hill. I've got 2 ZV512s on 2 Salt 4Ks.
Nice. Oh, I like this box. Who built this?
I did.
Very nice. Is that a 3/4 plexi?
Sir?
3/4 plexi?
Yes.
Sweet. And this is 12s, you said. You just upgraded from SAs to now ZV5s.
Yes.
Okay.
And what upgraded amps and electrical.
Oh wow.
And everything.
Okay. So what is like? What are these wired to, and are they strapped?
They're wired to 0.7 each. They're not strapped.
Okay, gain modes. Do you know the tuning and port? Or
30.
30. Okay. That's a 10-inch port.
8.
8. Okay, 8. Wow, that looks really good. And what size alternator?
240.
240. Okay. And sorry, so many questions. The cubic space of the box.
About 5.1.
Okay. And SPL score? Nothing yet? You just like to play it. Daily driver, right? Or sign?
Daily driver. I put about 40 miles a day on this thing.
Okay, sweet. Yeah. What's your bandwidth like that it likes?
About 42 to 24.
Okay.
It don't care for the higher bass, but it plays lows.
Okay.
What's happening? What's got in there? 2 12s. Who's next? Who's got in on that?
Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Thank you for the info. buttons just flexing together with the tone. Yeah, and that frequency, what was that frequency on that? That was like 28, 30, somewhere around there. 26 to 35. Okay.
35, yeah.
Wow. Nice.